Do you want luxury in Indonesia without breaking the bank? Thousands of savvy travelers are discovering how to make this dream a reality. Today, I'm revealing my secrets for luxury travel on a budget. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome to this video on luxury travel on a budget in Indonesia. Have you ever thought that luxury travel in such a stunning country is only for the rich? Indonesia, with its breathtaking landscapes and rich culture, might seem unattainable for budget travelers. But what if I told you that luxury travel in this beautiful country is possible for everyone? In this video, I'll share my best tips and hacks, backed by experts and fellow travelers, so you can enjoy luxurious adventures without spending a fortune. Indonesia is home to over 17,000 islands, each offering unique experiences in luxurious settings, from the vibrant cultural scenes in Java to the pristine beaches in the Lesser Sunda Islands. This diversity means there's something for everyone, whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or someone looking to relax in a tranquil paradise. Curious about how to find affordable luxury in Indonesia? Let's dive into my top hacks. First, always be on the lookout for off-season deals. Many luxury resorts and hotels offer significant discounts during the off-peak months. For example, you can find 5-star resorts in Bali for as low as $100 per night during the off-season. These deals are limited, so you need to act fast when you find them. Next, consider alternative accommodations like boutique hotels or Airbnb. You'd be surprised at the hidden gems you can find that offer luxury at a fraction of the cost, sometimes as low as $50 per night. Don't forget to use travel rewards and points. They can drastically reduce your expenses, letting you enjoy premium experiences without the premium price tag. Another great tip is to book experiences directly with local providers rather than through third-party sites. This can save you a lot of money and often results in a more personalized experience. For example, booking a private tour with a local guide can cost as little as $30 compared to $100 or more through a travel agency. Also, dining at high-end restaurants during lunch instead of dinner can significantly cut costs. Many upscale places offer lunch specials that are just as delicious but much more affordable. Ready to hear about a truly jaw-dropping luxury experience on a budget? Imagine relaxing in an infinity pool overlooking lush rice terraces, enjoying a private villa with personalized service, all for a fraction of the usual cost. I found a luxury villa in Ubud for just $150 per night, a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere. These villas often come with amenities like private chefs, spa services, and even guided tours included in the price. Another tip is to look for last-minute deals on luxury experiences. Websites and apps often offer significant discounts for same-day bookings if they're trying to fill up spots. Apps like Hotel Tonight and Last Minute can be lifesavers for scoring premium accommodations at unbeatable prices. By combining these tips like traveling during off-peak seasons, using points and rewards, and booking directly with locals, you can enjoy high-end experiences without the high-end price. This approach not only saves money but also allows for more spontaneous and flexible travel plans. Keep watching to see how you can achieve this too. Can you picture yourself having these incredible experiences? Reflecting on these moments, it's clear that planning and flexibility are key to achieving luxury on a budget. Using local transportation like scooters or ride-sharing apps can save you a lot compared to private taxis. Many cities in Indonesia have efficient and affordable public transport options that can enhance your experience without costing much. For instance, in Jakarta, the Transjakarta bus system offers an extensive network for a minimal fee. Additionally, consider joining local events or festivals. These can provide unique cultural experiences without the cost of expensive tourist attractions. Indonesia is famous for its vibrant festivals, such as Bali's Nyepi, the Day of Silence, and Yogyakarta's gamelan music performances. Participating in these events can give you a deeper understanding of the local culture at little to no cost. Staying at eco-friendly resorts or homestays not only supports sustainable tourism but can also be more cost-effective. These accommodations often provide authentic experiences and a chance to connect with the local community. As we wrap up, I'll share more insights on how you can plan your own budget-friendly luxury trip, ensuring you make the most out of every dollar spent. So what are the key takeaways from our journey through Indonesia? The country's beauty is unparalleled, and luxury travel here can be surprisingly affordable. With the right approach, you can create unforgettable memories without overspending. Remember, luxury doesn't always have to come with a high price tag. These tips are your gateway to experiencing the best of Indonesia on a budget. From choosing the right time to travel, to exploring alternative accommodations and leveraging travel rewards, the possibilities are endless. By embracing flexibility and a bit of creativity, you can unlock experiences that many think are out of reach. Indonesia's diverse offerings mean that luxury can be tailored to fit any budget. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to check out my other travel hack videos. Share your own budget luxury travel tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Safe travels. Your next affordable luxury adventure is just a click away.